Hi everyone, welcome to this module on timeline. What is a timeline and what does the timeline indicate? A timeline gives you information about the major process or the events which change the course of the history and influence the lives of the mankind in the world history. So, a timeline is a line which consists of the information which has played a major role or which has changed the direction of the world history will be shown in the timeline. So, now we are going to look at what are the timelines of the world history. Before we get into the details, let us study the timelines. We need to remember the process through which the ordinary men and women have shaped history are far more difficult to date than events such as war between the kings. Some dates may indicate the beginning of a process when it reaches maturation. So, timelines have history, the dates, the events which have changed the shape of the history. Historians are now constantly revising the dates in the light of new evidences or the new ways of assessing the old data. While we have divided the timeline on the geographical basis as a matter of convenience, the actual historians or the historical developments often transcend these divisions. Also, there is a chronological overlap in the historical process, and some landmarks in the human history have been shown here. So, we have highlighted the process dealt with in the themes that follow, which also have a separate timelines. So, the timeline focuses on the emergence of humans and the domestication of plants and animals in this chapter. It highlights some of the major technological developments such as the discovery of fire, metals, plow, agriculture, and the wheel. So, with the discovery of these technological developments, the human history has completely got transformed. Other processes that are shown include the emergence of cities and the use of writing. We will also look at the earliest empires in the timeline too. So, here is the timeline of Africa and Europe. So, 6 million years ago to 1 BC, there are the major developments like Australopithecus fossils which are found in Africa, Homo sapien fossils, paintings, domestication of cattle and dogs, domestication of donkey, cultivation of millets, then the calendar, pyramids, hieroglyphic script, papyrus, writings, glass bottles, then the use of iron in Sudan, Egypt, then establishment of Alexandria, which becomes a major center of learning. This is the timeline of Africa, and similarly you can see on the right side the timeline of Europe with the evidence of usage of fire, Homo sapien fossils, cultivation of wheat and barley, use of copper, use of iron, development of the script, first Olympic Games, and Alexander of Macedonia conquering Egypt and the parts of West Asia. Similarly, you can see the timelines of Asia and South Asia and America as well as Pacific Islands and Australia. So that's all we have in this module. In this module, we have learned the importance of timeline, what all it contains, what all it focuses, the timelines of Africa and Europe, Asia and South Asia, and America and Australia. That's all we have in this module. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next.